Eid al-Adha, also called Festival of Sacrifice, is one of the two major Islamic holidays. The other one is Eid al-Fitr. It commemorates the story of Prophet Abraham who was willing to sacrifice his son as an act of obedience to Allah. Pero bago niya may sa katuparan yon, Allah provided a ram to be sacrificed instead. Bakit ito importante? This holiday shows the values of obedience, faith, and sacrifice. It's a reminder for Muslims to be willing to give up what is dear to them for the sake of Allah and to always trust in His plan. The question here for self-reflection is, what can you give up for the sake of Allah? So, kailangan natin yan i-self-reflect. Kailan ito sineselebrate? Eid al-Adha is celebrated every year on the 10th day of Dhul Hijjah, which is the last month of the Islamic calendar. It's also during the time ng Hajj pilgrimage sa Mecca, which is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Anong ginagawa during Eid al-Adha? Of course, prayer. Maagang maaga, Muslim gather for a special prayers sa mosque or open area. So as you saw in our video earlier, na talagang andun kami sa MSU kung saan it's an open area. And then second na ginagawa is sacrifice or korban. Animals like goats, sheep, cows, or camels are slaughtered in the memory of Ibrahim's stories. And then the third is sharing and charity. Tulad ng ibang Islamic celebration, helping others is a big part of it. And then of course, number 4, family gathering and feasts. Families come together, nagluluto ng special food, and celebrate with love and unity. As for us, lumabas na lang kami para tuloy-tuloy ang aming celebration as a family, of course, here in the Compson MSU. So, until next time, see you guys. Ciao!